Hey, what's up you guys? So I wanted to give you a quick update on the Celica. I'm going to be moving the Celica to the backyard and covering it for the winter time. And then we're going to try to pull the boat into the garage to keep it out of the weather. So I'm going to be ripping out the rest of the wiring harness on here. I've got a lot of it already done. The fender and the bumper is off. And the idea is to temporarily get it running just so I can drive it to the backyard. It's a lot easier than pushing it. So I've got the fender and the bumper off and kind of get a little bit better idea of the damage down here. Not too bad, but this is how far down the harness it got. We'll see if the tire is savable or not. And on the inside, so I have to get the heater blower out of the way to get the wiring harness through, and I'm not real sure if it feeds back up into the dash or if it just ends here with these relays. Like this connection here runs to the tail lights and everything, so that part of the harness is fine. So hopefully I don't have to chase this all the way through the dash, because that would be a pain in the butt. Alright, this is going to be a lot bigger job than I was hoping it would be, but as you can see, it actually does run it through here, and I have to get rid of all the HVAC, all the vents to get to where that loom goes. So, yay. Another quick note is I got really lucky with this. I don't know if you can see it, but it actually, oh yeah, there we go. The fire actually did get this hot enough that it melted all of this insulation. Man, this could have been a lot worse really quick. Alright, we might go with plan B. So, as you can see, this is the interior part of the harness, and I only count about 14 wires there that actually need to be spliced. I know it's not ideal, but it would save a lot of headache. If I could just splice it in right here. Okay, that's not that bad. So having to go down the entire dash, I don't know, I'm still undecided. But you got all the burnt harness out. I don't know, guys. The more I look at this, the more I'm thinking I'm just gonna splice in that harness, the burnt part. Everything over here looks amazing. Like, there is no problem with any of this. No burnt wires, nothing. Just hacked off the bad part of the harness, replace that entire part that goes in between the interior and here. But everything else looks really good, so I'm really thinking that's really not that much wiring to do. What do you guys think? Got 2, 4, 6, 8 wires on here. I have 8 wires to splice on this side and 14 wires to splice on the interior. That's really not that bad. Alright you guys, that's going to wrap up this video. If you like what you see, please share, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Peace.